You will say, so that is x square minus 1, okay? Minus 1, okay? X plus 1. Let's do that together, then we can understand better today what we are going to do, okay? So now that is x squared. What is this? X squared is there. What is this? X is there, right? So x squared. What comes here? The first term of dividend, first term of divisor, right? First term of dividend and first term of divisor. Can you speaking? Very good. First term of dividend and first term of divisor, right? The first term of dividend, that x squared by x, you will get x, right? Plus x, you will get that, right? No need to write the plus x positive, and just we can just write the x. Multiply with this one. What will you get, guys? X is multiply x squared, and you will get plus x, you will get that, right? Okay, now this time you'll put the symbol minus there. It will be cancelled out. It will be 0. Now you can see the minus 1 is there, plus minus x is there. Hey guys, it is not plus x anymore. It is a minus x, right? It's minus x now. What is this? Because we have changed the symbol. We have changed the symbol. When symbol has been changed, this symbol has gone. This symbol will be vanished away, or we can say this symbol has gone. It's ran away, right? So now the minus x. So that's why the variable first, as I told you, that the polynomial must be written in the descending order of their powers, right? So the x that's part 1 is there, and x is part 0 there, because what is a constant value? 1 is the constant value. What is the degree of the what is the degree of the 1 here? Then you will say that is 0. Why? Because the 1. What is the mean of the 1? 1 means 1 into x plus 0. We can say that, right? So x plus 1 is there, x plus 0 there. So just write the 1 first, okay? So write the minus x first and then minus 1. Hope you understood that. So what will come in the quotient? What will decide? Who will decide? The x will be this first of dividend, first of divisor. So guys, minus x divided by x. What will you get, guys? Well, the minus 1. Let's put the minus 1, right? Got the point, guys? Alright, yeah, minus x is there now. Minus is divided by the plus x here. So guys, what is the mean of this one? It means minus 1 multiply with the x, and it means 1 multiply x. Why I'm doing this? So x will be cancelled. What is left? The minus 1 will come here, right? Minus 1 come in this way, will come here, right? Yes, sir. Yes, sir. So now the minus will come here. Let's multiply with the x. What will you get, guys? You will get minus x. Multiply. So you will get plus and plus also. You will get 0 and 0. Remainder comes here. That is 0. The remainder. Abbas! Yes, sir. What? Remainder comes 0 here, because remainder comes 0. What we can say from here? What we can say? We can say the two things. X plus 1 is the factor of x square minus 1, and x square minus 1 is the multiple of x plus 1. Hope you understand what I'm saying. Hey guys, always keep in mind. Perhaps I have written over there. Factor is also known as divisor. Perhaps you remember, because somebody can say that x square minus 1 is the factor of the x plus 1. No. X square minus 1 is not a factor of the x plus 1. X plus 1 is the factor of x square minus 1, and x square minus 1 is the multiple of x plus 1. Yes, sir. Here, yes, sir. Perhaps I told you. What does the mean of the factor? Hey guys, this is also a keep in eye. Always it is called first of all divisor. Yes, sir. Or if you want to say, you can say just like when you studying in the standard class, you can say that is factor, and this will be called a multiple. Always keep in mind. But actually, in the lower class, we cannot say that. Tell you why. We cannot call this one multiple, because problem is here. We cannot call the 17 is the multiple of no. It is not, because sometimes it is not applicable all the time. Fact. The word is factor, divisor, and the dividend applicable all the time. General form, generalized. It is a generalized term. Yes, sir. Stand up. Stand up. I said stand up. Keep standing. Keep standing. Sit down. Because it is not applicable all the time. It is not applicable. One, it is not applicable all the time here. What does the mean of this one? That's why we cannot write the multiple and factor. Because multiple and factor, what does it mean that? Remainder must come out 0. Divisor, dividend, remainder should be 0, or can be 0, or may be 0, might be 0. When I just write the word divisor and a dividend, when I can call dividend, I can call divisor. But I cannot call multiple, I cannot call divisor. I cannot call factor. Because factor, definition factor says that remainder must be 0, because this time you learn that remainder is 0. But in some of the time, for example, I just write 6, I write 26, 24, right? 24. So I can say the multiple I can say factor. Can you say that? We can call. So when you study the next time you are teaching someone else or child you are teaching to write the two things, write dividend and divisor, also write multiple and also write multiple and a factor. But give the example with the example. Don't write it directly. Thank you. Condition also you have to say that remainder must come out zero. This time maybe, maybe, may not be, right? May not be. So when I just write dividend and divisor, when I write division, am I speaking on the board? Huh?
हम लिख नहीं रहे
Am I father? Am I a servant?
हम लिख नहीं
I'm
रहे
asking you, am I a servant?
हमने लिख
I'm asking you, am I a servant?
बॉडी सीधा
I'm asking you yes or no.
हम बॉडी
Am I asking you yes or no?
हम क्यों बोले आप सर्वेंट हम बहुत से क्या बोल हम बॉडी सीधा कर रहे थे तभी से देख रहे थे कि नहीं देख रहे थे अभी भी
Not a single second.
भाई बॉडी है
Not a single second, I said. And keep speaking there, not a single second, moving here and there. I'm just keep speaking there. Maybe or? So the when the word is saying the factor, multiple and the factor, what is the meaning of this one? Hope you show that. Okay, this is a division math. So remainder comes out zero because you can see there. Remainder comes out zero. You will just write that. Since remainder is zero, therefore x plus 1 is the factor of.
x square minus 1
Hope you show that.
yes sir
So it is a long division method, right? But because we are studying what we are studying, what is your topic? Remainder theorem. So when we are just remainder theorem studying, so we have to just apply the remainder theorem, right? So what is the way to do that? You will first of all, because when it is not denoted by something, when it is not denoted by something, when it is not denoted by something, so you will say, look at the board. You will say, let's assume this polynomial, let px equal to x square minus 1, and let this one is gx equal to x plus 1, right? Get my point?
Yes, sir.
Tell me now. So now you'll say by remainder theorem. Tell me, guys. Remainder theorem. You will copy this one as well because so guys, I'm gonna solve this question. Perhaps you will based on this question you can solve that question also. Factor and remainder was just you have to write there. Just you have to. By remainder theorem, what it says, let no we have to just write that one first, no? Huh? What is right, no? Let gx equal to 0. What is the value of the gx? X plus 1 equal to? Come on. X plus 1 equal to 0. Keep learning. So x plus 1 minus 1, 0 minus 1, right? So x equal to minus 1, right? Minus 1, right? Now what is the value of the px? X square minus 1. Now what is the value of the x? Huh? Minus 1, so p minus 1. Sir, p minus 1 here. Minus 1 is there? Tell me now. So the value of this one, we will put the x minus 1, right? We will put the what is minus 1 square?
Yeah.
It is not right. Huh? Right? Value of the x, so we have to choose the value now. Value of the x equal to minus 1, right? Okay. So guys, what will you get here? 1 and minus 1. What will you get? Also, what is here, guys? When a polynomial multiplied by x plus 1, the p minus 1 must be 0. P minus 1 must be 0. So what is p minus 1? What is p minus 1? What do you say about the p minus 1? Yeah, of course. P minus 1 is the remainder. Because it is the form of x plus 1 is the form of this one. Like the x minus a. Value of the a equal to minus 1. What is a? X minus a equal to 0. X equal to a. It was a is nothing but value of the x. A is nothing but value of the x. What is 1 there? What is 1 there? It is x plus 1 equal to 0. X equal to minus 1. The minus 1 is the value of the x. When you substitute the value, you got the minus 0. So p minus q minus. Sometimes somebody confused us. We are confused that what is this 0? What will you say about the 0? 0 is the remainder. Somebody says, what is minus 1? Or 0 is the remainder. What is minus 1? I don't know. And minus 1 is equal to 0. So this is called remainder. So this is also called remainder. Because this is remainder. So this is also called remainder. Because both are equal to each other. Na? Because we got this result from here now. So when this is remainder, this is also remainder.
Yes, sir.
Because remainder comes out 0. Also in this time, remainder came out 0, right?
Yes, sir.
Remainder came out 0 now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Remainder came out 0 now. Or 2 minutes more, I'm sorry. Yeah? Remainder came out 0, right? Remainder came out 0. So by the long division method, because we are showing the remainder theorem, perhaps you can solve the question now 16, 15 and 16. Just you have to just write that. For in the 15 number, showing that we have to show the multiple. When remainder comes out 0, right therefore, okay? You just write over there, right? So 15 and 16, you have to make the question, and those questions you have to revise again. 14, 13, okay? Revise again. Copy this one as quickly as possible, and also this one. Understood the point?
Yes, sir.
So what do you write here? Here, look what I stop. Since p minus 1 is equal to remainder, or we can say p minus 1 comes what? 0. Since p minus 1 equal to 0, therefore x plus 1 is the factor of x square minus 1. Hence you can write this like that. Or also you can say that x square minus 1 is the multiple of x plus 1, or you can say x plus 1 is the factor of, write that x plus 1 is the x square minus. Understood, guys? So you have to solve the question. When the word is saying the multiple, then you will just write this thing first. X square minus 1 is the multiple. Copy.